How to find first posts and stories notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find first posts and stories notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top and then click settings. Now just click notifications, and here you will find post stories and comments. Then just scroll down until you find this one, first posts and stories. Now here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.